Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun, where we learn to become data center engineers while having a good time. Today's lesson: Stopping the Digital Mob, DDoS and Intrusion Detection, Prevention. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun. Today, we're tackling something super important and, honestly, kinda scary sounding: stopping digital mobs. Imagine a whole bunch of internet bad guys trying to crash your favorite website or steal your secret cookie recipe. That's what we're talking about: DDoS attacks and how we fight back with super cool tools like IDPS. Get ready to become a digital superhero. So, what exactly is a DDoS attack? It stands for Distributed Denial of Service. Think of it like this. You're running a super popular pizza shop. Suddenly, thousands and thousands of people call your phone at the exact same time, but they don't want pizza. They just want to tie up your lines so real customers can't order. That's a DDoS. It's not about hacking in. It's about flooding a server with so much traffic that it can't handle legitimate requests, effectively taking it offline. Annoying, right? Just like mobs can cause trouble in different ways, DDoS attacks come in flavors. Volumetric. This is the flood the pizza shop phone lines attack. Pure volume. Protocol. Imagine people calling your pizza shop and just saying, hello, 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 over and over, tying up a specific part of your phone system. It exploits weaknesses in network protocols. Application layer. This is sneakier. Someone keeps asking for the most complex pizza you offer, over and over, making your chefs super busy and slow for everyone else. It targets the web application itself, not just the network. Don't worry, we won't dive too deep. Just know they're out there. So, how do we protect our precious digital infrastructure from these digital mobs? We don't just sit there and take it. We deploy some seriously cool tech: intrusion detection systems, IDS, and intrusion prevention systems, IPS. Together, they're like the ultimate security team for your network. One watches, the other acts. Let's break down what each of these digital guardians does. First up, the IDS. Think of an IDS as a super smart security camera system with a really sensitive alarm. It constantly monitors your network traffic, looking for anything suspicious, patterns that don't look normal, signatures of known attacks, or behavior that suggests someone is trying to cause trouble. If it spots something fishy, it raises an alert, like a silent alarm going off in the security room. It doesn't stop the bad guy, but it definitely lets you know they're there. Oh, suspicious activity detected. Single quote. Now, if an IDS is the watchful eye, an IPS is the bouncer who actually kicks people out. An IPS does everything an IDS does. It monitors and detects, but it also has the power to act on those detections. If it sees a DDoS attack building up, or someone trying to exploit a vulnerability, it can block the suspicious traffic, reset connections, or even quarantine the offending source. It's like having a bouncer who not only spots the troublemaker but also physically escorts them out the door before they can start a real problem. So, why have both? Well, they're a dream team. An IDS gives you visibility and alerts without getting in the way of legitimate traffic. An IPS, on the other hand, is proactive but needs to be configured carefully so it doesn't accidentally block real users. Often, you'll see them deployed together, sometimes even as a combined IDPS solution. It's all about having layers of defense, spotting trouble, and then stopping it dead in its tracks. It's like having a security guard who watches and a bouncer who acts. While IDPS is awesome, it's just one piece of the puzzle. We also use things like firewalls, our digital gates, CDNs. Content delivery networks, like distributing your pizza shops so no single one gets overwhelmed. And good old common sense. Protecting networks is like building a fortress with many layers. This was just a peek behind the curtain, but I hope you feel a little more confident about how we keep the digital world running safely. Next time, maybe we'll talk about firewalls. Stay curious, network adventurers. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.